Sound systems play a vital role in a range of applications, from public address systems in commercial buildings to emergency alarms in industrial plants. However, in harsh and hazardous environments, implementing sound systems can be a challenging task. These environments are often exposed to extreme temperatures, moisture, dust, and other elements that can damage the sound equipment. For instance, industrial plants often have high levels of noise, which can interfere with the effectiveness of the sound system. To ensure that the sound system can operate effectively in the given environment, it is important to select the right equipment for the job. This means choosing equipment that is designed to withstand harsh conditions such as extreme temperatures, moisture, and dust. For example, speakers with waterproof and dustproof ratings, as well as amplifiers with built-in cooling systems, are ideal for use in hazardous environments. In many hazardous environments, there is also a risk of electrical hazards. When installing sound systems in such environments, it is crucial to ensure that the equipment is installed correctly and meets all relevant safety standards. Electrical safety should be a priority when working in hazardous environments, and all safety measures should be taken to avoid accidents and injury. This means ensuring that all wiring and connections are properly insulated and protected from the environment. The equipment should be mounted securely to prevent damage or dislodging during use. Equipment must also be thoroughly tested before use. This means checking all connections and ensuring that the equipment is functioning properly. Any issues should be addressed and resolved before the equipment is used in a hazardous environment. Finally, it is important to train personnel on the proper use and maintenance of the equipment. Clear instructions on how to operate the equipment safely, as well as providing training on how to troubleshoot and resolve any issues that may arise, is imperative. In harsh environments such as mines or offshore oil rigs, communication distances can be a significant challenge. The sound system must be able to cover the entire area effectively, and this can require the use of specialized equipment or techniques. It is essential to test the sound system before installation to ensure that it is capable of delivering the required performance. Another factor that improves the effectiveness of a sound system is regular maintenance. However, this can be challenging in harsh and hazardous environments. Maintenance personnel must be trained to work safely in such environments and must have access to specialized equipment and protective gear. Maintenance schedules must also be carefully planned to ensure that they do not interfere with the normal operation of the plant. Many industries operate under strict regulations to ensure safety, and sound systems must comply with these regulations. In some cases, specialized equipment or certification may be required to meet these standards. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in fines, legal action, and damage to the reputation of the organization. Implementing sound systems in harsh and hazardous environments is a complex and challenging task. However, with careful planning, specialized equipment, and trained personnel, Vivo Asia Engineering Trading has successfully installed several sound systems that meet the requirements of the environment and deliver effective performance. From the careful selection of equipment to the methodical installation and thorough testing of the sound system, Vivo Asia provides a complete system service including sound coverage studies and maintenance. Contact us today.